Well, we set a trap. Here it is. But as you can see, the bait is right there. It's empty. And
look clean.
It did not spring it. So here's what we're gonna do. We went to Lowe's and we picked this rascal up. This is made for smaller nuisance animals. We don't know what we're dealing with, but
if a weasel can fit in that thing,
yeah,
whatever this is most likely will.
And it's obvious it's too small to spring the big trap.
Yeah, my thing is, this is North Carolina. Who needs a weasel trap in North Carolina?
I don't know, but anyway, we're gonna pop this bad boy open and look at it. Always cut towards your buddy, not your body.
Yeah.
All right.
Good lesson if you hate your friends.
Daggone, that little bitty thing that thing is tiny.
That's like a cat carrier. But hey, that's about the size of an air vent, of an air duct.
Yeah. So let me get the instructions out because we got to do some assembly.
The reason I said that, y'all, is the itter cray is trapped in our air vents.
Well, it goes in and out as it pleases.
Well, so yeah, not trapped.
Let's read the instructions, get it together, and then we'll show it to them. All right, I'm going to open it this time, and we're using the same thing we used yesterday.
It's not on flat ground, and that stuff's soupy.
Ugh.
Ugh.
Oh.
Hang on. That's not there. Oh God! Put your shirt over your.
For all of those who said Nate needed to toughen up.
Thanks for strumming.
I wish this was smell-o-vision. If Sir Strumming's any worse than this, I want no part of it. There's a reason why I don't like cats. This is one of them. Ugh.
Why do you think they lick their fur? To get the taste of their own food out of their mouth.
Oh, God. Okay. For those of you that have been following my channel for a long time, you know I don't use language. This smells like ass. Ugh. Ugh. All right. Oh. This mess is disgusting.
Hey.
What?
This one, look at me. This one right here is flat. Put it here. Then get something to slide it up in there with.
Oh, shoot.
What? Oh, well, that's easy. That's easy.
Does it go this way?
Yeah, that way.
All right.
And make sure it's locked on. There you go. Okay. Now.
All right, let me.
This piece here, right?
Yeah, well, I gotta.
I'll set it.
That's Nate's turn. What's that noise?
Air conditioner.
Oh.
It's a typical sound. Okay.
All right, you said it. All right. We'll let you know what happens. Hey guys, well, it's the next morning after we bought the small trap and we got him. I'm fixing to show him to you. But before we go any further, no, I'm not going to kill him. We're going to relocate him. We've already made all the preparations. We've already got the idea of what we're supposed to do on the legal side. So we're going to relocate him and put him in the area where he belongs. Well, if you want to see him, here he is. He is the cutest baby possum I've ever seen. Now he's aggressive As you can see, this is an educational moment. Look at that tail. They are marsupials. See him trying to bite the camera?
No, marsupials mean. Marsupials.
No, I'm not. I'm sorry. I didn't mean marsupial.
Marsupials means they have a pouch like a kangaroo.
Yeah, I meant
The tail is prehensile.
There you go. The prehensile tail. And look at, I mean, he's so little, but look how aggressive he's being.
That's why he's so aggressive.
But that's him, guys. And he kept us awake for what, Nate? 3 nights?
In a row.
Yeah. And because he was making all kinds of noise.
They in the face, they always remind me of like Ghostface or something.
But little...
They look like a skull in the face or something.
But little opossum, you are cute, but you don't belong under our office.
You ain't cute.
I bet he'll mess you up with that mouthful of teeth he's got. But anyway, guys, that's what we found. That's what we trapped. So that's obviously what was in there. They kept us awake for 3 nights.
He sounds like Darth Vader over there. Just going.
So anyway, guys, this is an outdoor channel, but this is a first. We've never had anything like this on this channel before, and you know, it's a little bit different. So anyway,
gives a whole new meaning to tick turd.
Yeah, I hope y'all have a good weekend. This is Brian and Nate, the Big South Boys, reminding you to live.
But this is too early.
And live outdoors, as you can tell. Have a good one, guys.
Outdoors, not under houses.